It's got
it
notes
has
of lavender. Do not paste for too long. It's pretty lightweight, so weight
Yeah.
reduction is life.
It smells good.
Oh god, it smells
No,
like
it
phenol.
doesn't smell. Hi, I'm Pranav.
Hi, I'm Rohan, and this is Generation Speed Testies.
A series where we test out car-related products, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money.
I mean, it's only $100, so I don't have very high expectations from all these products.
Okay. Let's not be so hard on these products. They might just surprise us.
We have Auto Frill Cleaning Gel with a net weight of 160 grams. The package reads, do not rub, just press, do not paste for too long. I hope we've just gotten all these products from the car section.
The packaging looks good. I'm opening it.
Yes, go for it. It's got
Yeah, it
notes
has a-
of lavender. You've got some wood in it.
Nice.
Okay, it's quite jiggly. If the camera can see it, we'll show you how it's. You wanna?
Yeah, I
you
wanna take it on my hand.
You, you wanna go for my hand, bro?
3,
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Ooh. Is it sticky?
It's not sticky, but it's definitely moist, as one would expect with a slime.
I don't like this.
This apparently is for your dashboard and your hard-to-get areas inside your car, such as your vents. Let's go test it out. See, as
There
you
is
can see,
dirt here.
there's dirt here, and we're gonna try and get this with the. Let's see. Oh, nice.
It genuinely
Nice.
works.
It
It
worked.
worked.
Okay, let's get this spot now. It's a hard to reach area. Okay. All right then. Okay. Significant amount of dirt.
No, I don't think this is going to work.
Yeah.
No.
If we talk about the tough to reach spots, this we feel is a tough to reach spot right here.
Yeah.
And it did not reach this area. I don't think it goes into very narrow places. AC vents would be the ultimate test. Moment of truth. And it has
does look
collected some dirt. So
Yeah.
to put objectivity to this test, this seems to be working. This does deliver on the expectation scale of Rs.100. We have,
Blind spot mirror. So I feel this is pretty useless.
I mean, see, it has its use, especially if your car doesn't have blind spot detection
Yeah.
or level 2 ADAS. That's what do you call ADAS?
Adaptive
Yeah. No,
something.
it's automated damage
Ah.
acquisition system in India. Okay, let's unbox this. Oh,
That's
the
the nice.
eyes have stayed inside. The packaging has come out. Quality, the clarity is pretty nice.
Yeah.
I would
The
say
frame
it's-
is good.
Yeah.
Like the glass is good.
It's pretty lightweight, so weight
Yeah.
reduction is life. And I can see my blind spot in this, if it's placed right here on my mirror. That annoying electric things that Swiggy and Zomato delivery boys use. You can spot those fuckers in this. Okay, we're going to test this out
Yeah,
on the car
we should just test it.
again. Right, as you guys can see, this is my POV. Right here is the view in the rear view mirror, and we have Pranav visible in the blind spot. Moving on to the other side,
Oh,
as you can see, Veer is in my blind spot. You can see right here him doing KTM things.
Nice.
It works! Next up, what seems to be a brush.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is not actually a car product.
Okay.
When you type in car product, this pops up. It's actually a computer cleaning device.
Okay.
Okay.
For your usual crevices, your
AC
display,
vents
your
again.
CarPlay unit, what else do you think we can use this for?
AC vents, cup holders.
Oh fuck, it's got something, bro. Oh, the fuck do you do with this?
What's that?
It's
Can
for
I-
the laptop keys.
No, maybe you can just clean your display with this. Okay, let's try to clean this spot.
Okay.
The coin holder. Yeah, but this time did not get. No, even this can't reach the.
The brush part of this whole thing. Couldn't get to the coin holder. So we're going to try to use the other parts clean. Almost. Clean the screen with this. It's already useless. Again, this is not from the car section of things.
But I personally feel this is better than the slime.
To clean, I disagree. The slime cleaned a lot of things. What are you going to use this for? I mean,
See,
okay,
there's
you can
yeah.
get all of this. So I guess it has some use case in the car.
Plus, you're going to use this, not the slime.
That's true. That's true. Agreed. On to the next one. This is evidently a
Yeah.
sunshade.
Nice.
Whoa! The neat thing about this is it folds up, but I'm quite unsure of this vacuum seal to
Yeah, it
secure
doesn't
it on the
work.
glass. You'll find a lot of these being used on Bandra reclamation, where people just Now, without saying product, we're going to try this product out in the car. Okay, we are going to stick this on the windshield here. Let's see how good the vacuum is. Yeah, I mean, what's there to see? There's no scenery in this city, so you might as well just stick this on and can drive off. There is some stickiness factor to it.
Yeah,
Okay,
it
I'm going to
vacuums
try this
well.
on the vacuum is pretty. Oh,
Nice
you
and
heard
tight.
that? There's not enough coverage. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel it works. It sticks well.
The make-out ability of this sunshade
Yeah.
is... Alright, on to the next product. We have Motomax 2K rubbing compound.
The packaging is nice.
The one piece is technically under 100 rupees, but the minimum order quantity was 3 pieces.
So it removes scratches, paint defect, and oxidation.
Okay, and the directions for use states apply sufficient quantity of Motomax 2K rubbing compound and spread uniformly. Okay, rub with hand or machine in circular motion.
I'm just opening this.
How does it smell? Let's see how it smells.
It smells good.
Oh god, it smells
No,
like
it's- yeah, it
phenol,
does smell
bro.
good.
Yeah.
Let's
We're going to
take it.
test this out on the car.
So now we are trying out the Motomax 2K rubbing compound. We are going to try it out on this and let's see if it really removes the scratch. And this should be enough.
Sizable quantity. Let's get rubbing. Buddy, keep rubbing.
It is kind of working now. My hand is a buffer. See?
Oh!
It's rubbing off. You have to take a larger amount. See? It works.
We will need you to like, share and subscribe to this video. As you can see, there's not a lot of products here and the marketing budgets were kind of bleak. So for us to get approvals for more, please like, share and subscribe.